Hi, I'm Mark Jelley. I'm a beef and arable farmer from Northamptonshire. I farm around about 500 acres. We've got about 300 acres of arable, and we've got about 150 acres of grassland, which is mostly ridge and furrow and permanent pasture. The suckler herd on the farm is around about 70 cows at present, and we take all the calves through to finish. We're spring calving and a closed herd, and the finished calves are either kept for replacements or are supplied to ABP as finished animals. So the herd originally was a Hereford Friesian with blonde Aquitaine herd, and we was beginning to struggle to source reliable cattle for that system. So we've moved over to stabilisers, mainly because the temperament and also the finished animal serves a dual purpose. We're able to take breeding animals using sexed AI, and we're also able to produce finished animals using the terminal genetics within the breed as well. We got involved with the PRISM after I had been an AHDB strategic farm. We'd done carbon footprinting through that project, and I was really interested to see whether we could actually build on that and reduce our carbon footprint through some of the work with ABP. The project recommended that I look at the grazing system on the farm and also our carbon footprint. And the grazing system we've adapted to include a rotational grazing element within it, and we've done this using a paddock grazing system on the home farm and using a split field-based paddock system on the away ground. The paddocks at home are about an acre, and the paddocks on the away ground are nearer 4 or 5. And that rotation seems to work really, really well. We've seen a distinct improvement in grass growth rates. We've also introduced clovers and some plantains and some chicory on various parts of our home farm. The carbon footprinting work for us has been really useful, and for 2 reasons really. First of all, it provides some reassurance to our consumers that we're doing something and we care and that we're actually paying attention to what we're being told in the marketplace. But the other thing I find is that carbon footprinting is a really good indicator of financial performance as well. But for us, where we've found carbon savings, we've also found financial savings as well. I'm really enthusiastic about the future. I think that we've got a sustainable model here. We've got a good opportunity with British beef to build on the brand that we have in the UK anyway. And I personally believe that I can adapt and I can manage my way through the challenges that the industry is about to face. It's daunting, but at the same time, that challenge is something which really enthuses me, and I'm really looking forward to it.
For more case studies and webinars, go to our PRISM YouTube channel.